ice machine up here. It's a warehouse for the fish, and I think it's an old Howe ice maker. It's been years since I've worked on one of these, but I'll give you guys the rundown. So it comes down the chute and fills up here, so they can pack the fish with ice. That's the unit for the ice maker right here. Copeland discus. That's the unit for the walking on. Rundown on this. We got a big gear reducer on top here and a motor. We got a water sump here and a water pump behind here. We got some quick tips on the Howe. Set your EPR and adjust your TXV. The gear reducer has this big shaft. It spins. This tub fills with water. The water's going to shoot out, form ice on the sides. And then we have a scraper that scrapes it right there. When I get it up and running, I'll show you that. Get the basic sight glass solenoid up here. And you're going to set your evaporator temperature from your EPR. And you're also going to adjust your TXV, not by superheat, but by how your ice forms on the evaporator. So we're going to check that out, and then the ice goes down into the chute there. I want to make sure. Check my drain. Just like anything else, you want to check the basics. Check your drain, all that kind of stuff. Looks like we're flashing. We're probably low on charge. So I want to go check. I'm going to gauge up on it and see where we're looking at on pressures. This is how it works. You guys are wondering. Water comes around, gets on the evaporator. It's got a wiper that wipes it, and then the actual cutter that actually cuts the ice off. And then it just follows right behind it. It's a really neat big commercial ice machine. Alright, so I got my TXV adjusted. I'm liking the way the ice is forming better now in the barrel. See, it scrapes the ice and it fills it back in with water. See that? Almost there. We're definitely like this when we started. TXV adjustment, and we're coming around now. Alright, so I got it all restarted here, starting from scratch. You can see it's going to freeze up on the barrel on the plate. The wiper's going to come and wipe it. It needs a new wiper. You see the bottom's all hammered of that wiper, and then the cutter's going to come and cut the ice. Yeah, we got the gear reducer right here. Here it is, just starting a defrost cycle. We'll film it and see what changes here. I don't know if it'll pick up the hot gas behind the ice or not. The grid needs a cleaning. Big time. There it is, it just dropped. And that's what it looks like with the ice off.
curtain off so you can see what it looks like. I'm gonna be back in the freeze mode right there. There it is, feeding refrigerant. You can see how it feeds. Came up like 3, then went up to the top. It's working its way back down to the middle. And there it goes. Taking the heat out of the grid right there. Here comes the water. And there's the water flowing over the grid. That's pretty neat looking on Flirt. You can see it comes up and then goes over and then up and then feeds back around.